Okay, so this is about three-step equations. Okay, so here you can see I have a balancing beam here. Now, in here, see these boxes? In these boxes I have Smarties, okay? They're all yellow Smarties, the same size as these ones that are outside here. So you've got, on this side I have a certain number there. They're the same number in each one. We don't know what they are. So I'm going to call X the number of Smarties in each of these boxes. Now at the moment it is balanced. And we've got these Smarties that are in, and when they're outside the box it is balanced. So basically when we're looking at this, I want you to work out how many Smarties you think are in each bag. So pause the video and have a think about it. Okay, now let's have a look at this. Let's represent that. That would be 3. We've got 3 lots of the X's, plus we have 3 more Smarties. And that is meant to balance with 2 lots of the X's, plus 8 Smarties. Okay. Now, if I was going to work out how much just one box is, I kind of want to work it out so I only have, like one box on one side and then a certain number of Smarties on the other. So in order to do that, let's take away the boxes with the X on the right hand side. Now when we do that, if you think about it, what will happen to our balancing beam is that it's going to be weighted this way and it'll get heavier. So this side will go up and this side will go down. And at the moment it will be unbalanced. And because it is unbalanced, then what's going to happen here is that in order to keep it balanced, what do you think we'd have to do? So pause the video and maybe tell the person next to you what you think you'd have to do to keep it balanced. Okay, that's right. What you need to do is if you took 2 X's from that side, you need to take 2 X's from that side. And then what would happen is to your balancing thing, your balancing beam would then go boom, ping. Because you took the same amount out of both sides, what you did to one side, you did to the other, it would be balanced. Now let's just represent that with algebra. So if I took 2x away from here, that would disappear. That's the 2 boxes. Then I'd need to take 2 x's away from the 3x. Not from the 3, but from the 3x. 3x minus 2x will give you 1x, won't it? So it'll give you 1x plus 3 equals 8. So now in my thing, you see I've got one of the x's. Yeah, there it is, 1x box plus 3 Smarties. And that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the question is how many Smarties are in that one box? So let's just take 3 Smarties out of here. So all we've got left is just one box. Now what will happen then is because we took it out of that side, that means this side will be heavier and the balancing thing will go up like that. So I need to take 3 from the other side to keep it balanced. And when I do that, it goes back and it is balanced again. So if I take 3 away from that side and 3 away from that side, you end up with 1x, which is actually just x, equals 8 minus 3, which is 5. And if you think about it, that worked because they'd have 5 plus 5 plus 5, that's 15, plus 3 more. What would that be? 3 lots of 5 is 15, that'll be 18 in this side. And this side I had 5 plus 8 more, which is 18. And that's why it would be balanced, because we have the same number on both sides.